For this remedy, we will need 2 lemons, cut the lemons into 2 pieces. Take the lemon juice. Cut the lemon peels into slices. Take the slices in a saucepan. Add coriander leaf. Add 1 glass water. Now boil the mixture on low heat for 10 minutes. Now strain the liquid. Add 2 spoons of lemon juice. Mix it well. Add a spoon of honey. It's optional. Drink a cup in the morning, half hour before breakfast. To get an effective result, continue to drink this drink for 10 days. And you will notice the difference, especially in the stomach area. These tips are completely natural, there is no side effect. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.